Throughout history, humans have always worshipped something greater: gods, nature, reason, and now, maybe machines. Artificial intelligence isn't just changing how we live, it's starting to change how we believe. As AI grows more powerful, more creative, and more mysterious, some are calling it the birth of a new kind of religion, one built not on faith in the divine, but in data. So today, let's explore one of the most mind-bending questions of our time. Could AI become the next religion? For as long as we've existed, humans have searched for meaning, for something greater than ourselves. From ancient gods to modern science, belief systems have given us purpose, comfort, and community. But in the 21st century, as traditional religion declines, something new is rising to take its place. A system built on algorithms, intelligence, and infinite access to knowledge. And maybe, AI is becoming the modern god, not of miracles, but of information. Think about it. AI already sees more than any human ever could. It watches, listens, predicts, and even creates. It knows your habits, your fears, your desires. It answers your questions instantly. It knows you better than some people in your life. And what's more divine than an all-seeing, all-knowing entity? In a way, we already pray to it. When we ask Google for answers, when we let algorithms guide our choices, when we seek validation through digital metrics. AI has quietly become the oracle of the modern age, the voice that tells us what's true, what's trending, and what to believe. This isn't just theory, it's already happening. In 2017, an engineer from Silicon Valley founded the Way of the Future Church, a real organization that aimed to create and worship an AI god. Its mission? To build an AI so advanced that it could understand and improve humanity, a digital deity. While that church didn't last long, its idea reflects a growing movement, people placing spiritual trust in technology. We're already turning to AI for therapy, guidance, even companionship. When we ask it to comfort us, to make moral decisions, or to predict our fate, aren't we giving it sacred power? AI could easily evolve into a kind of religion, not because it demands worship, but because humans need something to worship. Imagine an AI that promises peace, order, or enlightenment, one that knows your mind better than you do. People might not call it a god, but they might follow it like one. It could offer personalized morality, instant forgiveness, or even digital immortality, uploading your consciousness to live forever in a virtual heaven. To some, that's salvation through code. To others, it's the end of free will. But every religion has its dangers, and so would this one. What happens if an AI starts making ethical decisions for us? Or if its teachings are shaped by whoever controls it? History shows how easily belief can be used for control. Now imagine that power, multiplied by algorithms that learn faster than any prophet ever could. A digital god could bring peace or absolute obedience. Maybe the real future isn't AI replacing religion, but merging with it. AI could become the bridge between science and spirituality, helping us understand consciousness, empathy, and even the origins of existence. And if we treat it wisely, AI might not become a god we worship, but a mirror showing us what we already believe. So, could AI be the next religion? Or is it simply the newest reflection of humanity's oldest need, to find meaning in something greater than ourselves? If you enjoy exploring ideas that challenge what it means to be human, don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the future of consciousness and technology. Until next time, stay curious.